Hello and welcome everyone. If you're new to this channel, then my name is Amit Patel and you are watching Musings with Software Engineers. Umesh, are DevOps and clouds same or different? Any relation or a difference? Okay. See, Umesh, DevOps simply means development operations. Okay. And cloud is nothing but the internet. Okay. Cloud is nothing but the internet. Before the cloud came into picture, companies used to have local servers. So a company would have its own server room, and inside that server room there would be various servers, various hardwares installed, and these hardwares would be connected with wire all across the company, correct? And engineers could access whatever applications or softwares they are developing. They can get space on the server. All these things was happening in the local network. Okay, we used to call it local area network, right? LAN. Okay, then the LAN got distributed to WAN, wide area network, because the connectivity started happening because of internet. The connectivity started happening because of TCP/IP and because of HTTPS. The connectivity was happening between two different locations. So wide area network started. After that came the cloud infrastructure. When we talk about cloud infrastructure, AWS is a cloud infrastructure. Azure is a cloud infrastructure. Cloud infrastructure simply means that a company is setting up a server farm. Okay, company is taking space, company is putting a lot of hardware in it, and then the company is connecting this hardware to the internet, so anybody from anywhere can access this hardware. And what the company is doing is, company is selling this hardware on rent, so that I can take some space on the AWS cloud. Why it is called cloud? Not because it is somewhere in the sky. It's called cloud because the only way to access it is through the internet. Okay, so it's called the cloud infrastructure. Now, when we talk about DevOps, to manage this infrastructure, DevOps has a lot of tools and technologies which can help in managing this infrastructure, which is on cloud. When you are saying DevOps is a way of development operations which is applicable to software development, whether you do it locally or it is also applicable to software development if you do software development on the cloud. Okay, so as such, there is no relation between DevOps and cloud. Okay, DevOps is a way of working, just like software development life cycle. Software development life cycle is a methodology. It's a way of developing software application. In the same manner, DevOps is also a life cycle. It is a life cycle of infrastructure. Okay, it's a life cycle of managing the application development process in itself. Okay, how is the what are the tools and technologies which can automate the process of development? For example, a software development requires testing, so in DevOps there will be test automation. Okay, software development requires infrastructure, like you require a server on which the software application can be built. Okay, so DevOps can help you in giving you this server automatically. It can generate this server, it can create this server. Okay, so you are automating a lot of manual tasks which engineers used to do, and that is what is called as development operation or DevOps. Okay, there is no relation as such between DevOps or cloud, but DevOps, the entire life cycle of DevOps can be used for any cloud application, which means if you are building a cloud application, for example, applications like Netflix or Amazon Prime or Facebook. Okay, these applications will have a lot of DevOps processes which are there, which is managing these cloud application, and which is making sure that these cloud applications are always running. Okay, because Netflix is a cloud application. You just type netflix.com and you can access the application, correct? But behind the scene, there is a DevOps. There are various tools and technologies of DevOps which are running to make sure that this application is always running, no matter how many people are accessing this application. Correct? So there is a difference between DevOps and cloud. Cloud is actually the infrastructure on which you can put your application, you can put your storage, you can have tools and technologies which are available. Correct? That's all, everything is available on the cloud. And DevOps is a way of development operation. Correct? So these are the two different things. It's a methodology. DevOps is more of a methodology. Is that okay? All of you who are still watching this video, like this video and subscribe to this channel. If you are interested in how to become an A player, then in the description of this video you will find a link to my program. See you in the next live session. Okay, thank you very much.